Noida-based Shantanu Sarkar loves two things in life, cricket and chemistry. So when he couldn't pursue a career in cricket, he turned to his second love, chemistry. Today, this chemical engineer has turned a first-generation entrepreneur and manufactures and exports chemicals for a variety of industries like textiles, cosmetics, paper and paint. Here's the story behind his company, Resonance Specialty Chemicals.
I wanted to shine in whatever I do. I wanted to be either a sportsman or a good businessman. I always liked chemistry and I was always fascinated by chemicals. My vision is growth. Growth for our group as well as contributing in some way to the growth of our beloved nation.
A chemical engineer from Raipur, an old hand at Hindustan Lever and a short stint at Denichem in the UK, that was life of Shantanu Sarkar until he decided to follow his heart and turn entrepreneurial. In 1997, Sarkar returned to India from the UK and started his first venture, United Chemical Company, that would produce a specialty range of fading and biopolishing enzymes for India's growing textile industry. But things took a U-turn when other big players in the chemical industry made their foray into this sector and forced Sarkar to look for newer avenues.
We shifted operations to Calcutta, primarily because Delhi was very competitive at that time. It was the biggest consumer of textile products, textile chemicals in India, and all the competitors were there, Calcutta was less, there was less competition in Calcutta, and secondly, it was very close to Bangladesh, which is a large hub of textiles.
A new wave of entrepreneurship was rising in the communist state of West Bengal towards the end of the last decade, and Shantanu was all set to ride on it. One of the first advantages of moving to Kolkata was that his wife Vandan came on board as the director for new businesses. This was also the time when the company decided to expand its portfolio by introducing more chemical products and decided to look beyond the textile industry. As time went by, the company was rechristened from United Chemicals to Resonance Specialty Chemicals in 2006.
Our company manufactures specialty chemicals. These are process chemicals that are needed for processing of several industries. We are a technology-driven company where most of the focus is on technology, research and development.
Over the years, Resonance has invested its time and energy in research and development by creating a strong team working round the clock to develop new products. As a result, the company is manufacturing over 200 byproducts for various industries like leather, paper, water treatment, food and beverage, mining, oil excavation, pharmaceuticals, agriculture and cosmetics.
While in Thailand on vacationing, I happened to meet a textile mill in Thailand, and I talked with them and found that yes, we could export some products to Thailand. And but then nothing happened in that trip. We didn't get any orders. Came back to India, and but that bug had beat me, the export bug. So I traveled to Thailand once more and visited a few mills, and eventually bagged an order, export order.
In the pipeline is this brand new facility spread over 50,000 square feet that is to be home to the core team of 40 people that Resonance today employs. And Vandan is keeping a close watch on the aesthetics of the building and has a clear vision for what this new building will help them achieve.
It is a 50,000 square feet project with the modern equipment to fulfill the demand of client globally.
What started with an investment of 1 lakh rupees is now a 21 crore rupee enterprise, and Team Resonance is going out to get more.
Yes, in the next 5 years, Resonance wants to achieve a turnover of 250 crores and then float an IPO. If we can garner a lot of money or some money from the IPO, we would like to get inside the segment of fuel ethanol. And also, I would like to get inside biotechnology in a larger way.
The key market for this company has gone beyond just India into other Asian countries like Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Bangladesh and Turkey.
Quality and cost and service is comparatively we are getting better compared to the multinationals. That is the reason we are working with this company.
Going forward, Resonance is all set to expand its horizons and make it big in other sectors as well.